This podcast is for educational purposes only.
The Rocking Al Show.
What are puts and calls? Puts and calls are two types of options contracts used in financial markets, specifically in options trading. They are derivative instruments that give investors the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price within a specified period. Puts. A put option is a contract that gives the holder the right to sell the underlying asset at a predetermined price, called the strike price, within a specific time frame. Put options are typically used by investors who anticipate that the price of the underlying asset will decrease. By purchasing a put option, the investor can potentially profit from a decline in the asset's price. If the price of the underlying asset remains above the strike price at expiration, the put option expires worthless. Calls. A call option is a contract that gives the holder the right to buy the underlying asset at a predetermined price or strike price within a specific time frame. Call options are typically used by investors who believe that the price of the underlying asset will rise. By purchasing a call option, the investor can potentially profit from an increase in the asset's price. If the price of the underlying asset remains below the strike price at expiration, the call option expires worthless. Both puts and calls have certain characteristics. Strike price. The price at which the underlying asset can be bought or sold. Expiration date. The date at which the options contract expires. Premium. The price paid by the buyer to the seller for the option contract. Contract size. The number of underlying assets covered by one options contract, usually 100 shares for stocks. Options trading can be complex and involves risks. It requires a good understanding of the underlying asset, market conditions, and option pricing. Traders and investors use options for various strategies, including hedging, speculation, and income generation. It's important to conduct thorough research and consider the risks before engaging in options trading.
I hope you found this podcast informative. If you have any comments about this or the other episodes, please comment below. I'll be looking forward to reading them. Until next time, goodbye everybody. The Rocking Al Show.